Good Efias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, Tantolorun, Baba Oloyinkan, Baba Oloyin original. I'm staying at Iyesiota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. And you can get my products with my agents in Lagos. I have a branch at Mushin, number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin. I have a branch at Surulere, number 5C, Akrele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Surulere, Lagos. At Ikotun, we have a branch at Agudu Egbe. When you reach Sele bus stop Egbe, you can enter Marua going to Agudu Market. Ask for number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agudu Market. We are there. Today, I want to tell you how you can stop evil spirits from entering your house. You know that some people, when they pack from one house to another, when they pack, like especially couples, when they pack from one house to another, when they reach the new house, they will be fighting. They have not been fighting for long. Sometimes they have married for 10 years, 20 years. And if landlord happen to give them quick notice, they pack their load. When they reach a new house, they will be fighting. What are the causes of all this thing? Of all this, you will hear it today. It's because sometimes when you enter a new house, evil spirits may be in that place. Sometimes you don't know what Baba landlord used to do the foundation. You don't know what the Baba landlord and the landlady, what they use. Sometimes they bury different things so as to get progress when they were building their houses. So when you pack to a new house, sometimes people lose their job. When they pack to a new house, you will just see that they sack them from their places of work. Yes, it sometimes happens like that. It depends on the house you are living. And there are some houses, when you pack to some house, it is from that house you will go to your own house. You rent a new house like this, you will be having progress. You have promotion in your office. And if your wife is a trader, she will be making money in her business. That is some house. Some houses are like that. And there are some houses, when you get there, the children will be sick. They will be getting sick all the time in some houses. And that is why I want to tell people now, if you want to do foundation of your house, it is very important to know what you do. To do foundation of your house, I published it in my book, Healing Honey as a Medicine. I told you before, when you want to do foundation, you must know how to do it. You use honey. When you use honey for foundation, you will have peace. You will have progress. Your children will be doing fine in that new house you just built. Then, I want to tell you that some people, they don't know that evil spirits can still come to house. When you are sleeping, you will just observe that some spirits will be pressing you. You don't know. Some people, they bought my books, but they don't follow what we put inside the books. You have to be reading the books. Sometimes when people come to me and complain, I ask them, have you bought our books? They say yes. Okay, bring it out. When they bring it out, they will point what they will do in the book for them. Because you have bought the book, you don't need to see me. See what you can do. You should have done this one, do this one, instead of just giving yourself a headache. You see, this honey, if you want to do foundation of your house, this is honey, original honey. If you put it in your house, by the special grace of God, evil spirit will not enter your house. Yes, you put it in your room. Some people can put it under the bed. Some people, they can put it inside a bottle, then they hang it. But if you don't want to hang it, just put it in your room. Let honey, original honey, let it be inside your room. Evil spirit will not come inside. This is not diabolical. Yes, this is not juju. Yes, I'm telling you. You put it in your house, evil spirit will never near you. Anywhere we put honey like this. Yes. Then if you want to do foundation, of your house, when they dig the holes, maybe you want to do 3-bedroom flat or want to do 6 rooms apartment, make sure you buy original honey, split it on the holes of the foundation, split the honey round that hole. before they set block, before they put sand, before they put all this small stone, just put it on that ground, in that holes, put it there. Yes, before they set the block. When you will see that you will see money to complete the house. And when you are leaving the house, you will not have cause to regret by the special grace of God. Our father, they used to do it. They use honey for foundation. If we do it, many people have done that. And you have a special day that we can do foundation. If you want to do foundation, you can dig the hole on Friday, Saturday. But when you want to dig the hole, let it be Monday or Thursday when you want to do foundation. The day they will set the block, let it be Monday or Thursday. Yes, some people they do foundation on Saturday, it's not good. Some people they are doing it on Friday, it's bad. But when you want to do your foundation, they can do bricklayer, they can dig the holes on other days. But when you want to set the block, say I want to lay down the foundation of my house today, let it be either Monday or Thursday. Then you use honey for foundation. By the special grace of God, you will not regret ever did that. And when you are living in the house, don't forget to put honey in your room. Put honey there. Evil spirit will never enter there by the special grace of God. The reason for that, I will tell you later, not today. And I want to use this medium to tell you, I have made in the boss. Some people are parading themselves inside Molue, inside Danfo, inside Mass Transit in Lagos. They are calling them Baboloyin Original. I'm not the one. I don't send anybody inside bus. I don't have anybody inside bus. If you want to buy my products, you either come to Yesiota. I don't have agents. I don't have office at toll gate. Some people say, am I the one at toll gate? No. Baboloyin Original is not at any toll gate. And I don't have any agent in the bus. Some people are in the bus. They are telling people that they are Baboloyin Original. I am not the one. Look at my face very well. I'm not the one. If you want to sell your product, sell it. Don't use Baboloyin to make your own market. Because when they sell it for them, they will still complain. Then they say Baboloyin sell it for them inside the bus. I'm not the one. Look at it very well. Then those of you that want to buy my books, we have 2 books online. We put it on PDF. You can buy this book only as a medicine. You can buy it. You can, when you ask for account number, we give you, you pay. Then we send this book to you on your WhatsApp or email. Or if you are on Gmail, we send it to you wherever you are. Even when you are in America, London, Japan, we can send the book to you anywhere. Then this is another one. This one started with Yoruba and it is in Yoruba and English languages. Yes. Agbára ìwòsàn oyin, healing power of honey. Healing power of honey. It's English and Yoruba. So when you pay for the 2, we send it to you on your WhatsApp or email. We send it to you on email, Gmail, or your WhatsApp. We can send it to you anywhere in the world. Yes. There are some books that are not yet on PDF. This is on Abayo Fusoro Eda. It's not yet on PDF. You can buy this one hard copy. When this one is also on PDF, we will inform you, but not now. You can inform with some videos how you can know original honey. How to know original honey. I analyze this. I told you in this video. Then all my books. If you buy any of my books, you will see that I did analyze it there. That this is how you can identify original honey. How you can know fake honey and original honey. Because original honey is very important for anything you want to do. You want to do naming ceremony, you must use original honey. You want to do a chieftaincy ceremony, you need honey. You need honey. Then like the one I said, you should put honey in your room. It must be original honey. Don't forget my telephone number 0054749455. You can WhatsApp me as you can see it on the screen. And those of you that have subscribed, thank you very much. There are some people, they used to help me share this thing. They share my thing. As we are sharing, I see you. Thank you very much. God bless you. And those of you that were giving me money, there are some people when they ask for account number, they ask for the price of the book. When I give them, when they want to pay, they pay more than the amount I told them. I thank you very much. God will bless and enrich you, enrich your cause by the special grace of God. God will bless you. I thank all these Igbo people also. I'm surprised you. I always tell people, before you can sell a product to Igbo people, before you can convince Igbo people that this thing is original, they must have heard from other Igbo man. You tell Igbo man, this thing can do that, this thing can do this. Igbo will say, are you sure? So those who bought the book, they are now telling other people, that man, a correct man, a correct man. Even those who are giving money, I'm surprised. When I see the name, I will see that they are not from my tribe. Because when I see the name of those who are giving me money, when I see the name, I will see that this is not Yoruba people. These people are not in my tribe. Oh, I thank all of you. Thank you. Yoruba people are also giving money. Yes, mi ò ní ṣaláì dúpẹ́ o, mi ò ní ṣaláì mórí o. Ṣùgbọ́n pé àwọn tí ò kí ń ṣe ìyá mi, tí wọ́n tún fún mi lówó ẹ̀ ló jọ mi lójú. Edo people in Italy, Edo people in Spain, Edo people in USA, Edo people in Nigeria. All of you, you surprise me. Yoruba people also, I can't do without thanking you. Because Yoruba people has bought my book for long. Yes, when I was advertising on Radio Lagos, Radio Nigeria, Bond FM, I used to advertise in City People magazine. I used to advertise in Nigerian Tribune. I used to advertise in Guardian newspaper. All you Yoruba people have already bought the books. So this book is not strange to Yoruba people. It's not strange because there was a time I went to Ibadan to advertise on the Premier FM Ibadan. I advertised at Amuludun FM. I advertised at Bowewo Radio that time. So Yoruba people, they are used to this thing. They know me, they are my people, they are my tribe. When I started this thing in 1999 or so, Yoruba people, they are familiar with this thing and they know that anytime I release book, it's for sure. Then I have a sister station now, Kenny Show Television. Kenny Show Television. You will hear many things on this Kenny Show Television. On this station, you will know alligator pepper. Everybody know alligator pepper. Everybody know alligator pepper. Alligator pepper. This is alligator pepper. And this is bitter cola. You believe that apart from eating this thing, you can use this too for protection of lives and property. Apart from eating, people are eating it, they are eating alligator pepper, they are eating bitter cola. Apart from eating, you can use it for protection of lives and property. For more information, through to my sister station, Kenny Show TV, you will hear how you can use alligator pepper and bitter cola, how you can use it for protection of lives and properties. Meet me on Kenny Show TV. Just subscribe to that station. You will be hearing information on that station. How you can use ashes, eru, for return back to sender. You will meet me on that station also. Don't forget, I'm Baba Oluyin Original. My telephone number again, 08054749455. If you call me, the number doesn't go, you can WhatsApp me on that number. You put +234 so that your message will come in. And those of you that were buying my book, I still thank you. Those of you giving me money, I thank you again. God bless you. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.